the home of the Pawigan and the land of the brave, Morong Bataan!
Yes, it's been raining in Manila. I'm your candidate number 19, representing Sampaloc, Manila, Justine Benoliar.
Clarks Masalyote from the province of Formaris, Zamboanga del Sur.
Si Matias from the heart of the Philippine Revolution, Caloocan City. From the city of Smile, Bacolod City. Rex Guevara, nagmula sa lupang binansagang Pugat ng Gulo, ngunit pandayan ng husay, talino at talento, Totoong Manila. Holy Ocasyon from the hidden jewel of the North, a land with pristine beaches, rich culture, and resilient people. Municipality of Bolinao, province of Pangasinan. Ana Castro Elorde from the marching band, capital of the Philippines, Bacoor City.
Eli Pimentel, representing a city that is known for its vibrant culture, stunning skyline, and warm people, city of Taguig.
Jamie Manzano representing the Ginger